Hey folks, Weatherman Sam, man in the big green hat. Just look at that view. I am here in North Alabama, north of Huntsville, northeast of Huntsville. It's Graham Farm Nature Center. It's run by the Alabama Extension Service. It's out of Auburn University. I don't know how much acreage they own here, but there's miles and miles of trail. And this view, this view just speaks for itself. And that's mostly what we're going to be exploring today. It's called Nita's View. This is the main overlook where I'm standing right now. And we're going to do this and maybe do some more lowland type stuff. There's lots of things up on Maxwell Mountain. Save that for another adventure. It's pretty steep. There hasn't been a lot of rain. I know there were waterfalls. But views like this are just spectacular and worth exploring. So let's go see it. First part of the trail is steep as you would expect. Moving up through this, I'm really unsure of how much elevation change. Blackberries in full bloom. This will be wonderful here a little bit later. But hiking this uphill like this in the summer might be more than I'd be interested in. Daisies in bloom here. Beautiful little wildflower. It's the first time I've come across. There's a lyre leaf sage. Looking down the slope here, nothing but a field, if you want to call it that. Blackberries. Full of blooms and full of pollinators too. There's so many bees and wasps around. It's really kind of cool. You just get a peek of the valley opening up here. The other side is woods, and it's all flanked here. I think it's old cedar trees. I can't wait to get up in the woods though. Oh, if I do no other trail than this today. What a view. Wow. Still nothing but stunning views on this section. Though it is starting to get a little more forested here. A little building up here to the right we're coming up to. Ooh. Look at that view. We're here at Nita's View. And what a view. Miles and miles here in the Pink Rock Valley. See, for miles and miles. Well, I found skullcaps in bloom. Such delicate little flowers. This is some type of little spurge that's in bloom. Ah, the wonderful shade of an old water oak. Look at this beauty. While I was looking at this, a rabbit ran across the trail in front of us. This is the most wooded section of the trail today. Right here at the tip end. Nice way to end it. Thanks for coming along. This was it. This was what there was to this place. It is fantastic. View of these mountains here. Pink Rock River Valley. Stunning. This may be one of my favorite spots in North Alabama now. Just for the serenity, there's nobody else here. And the sheer views that you get. Till next time, keep exploring. Stay wild.